Well, I'm probably supposed to get up there. Might as well do it now.
Wonder how little. Oh, it's orange.
Plenty of apples in here.
Plenty.
Oh my god, look at him go.
It's fun. I like physics. That rocks. That's really cool.
I assume I'm supposed to turn the fan off. And then
Can
push
you
one
not
of
bring
these
the
up
apple
there.
over the fan?
No, because they get pushed. I
But
can't
you can't
push
put
them.
it over the fan?
Over the fan.
Yeah.
Too hard.
Sounds like the most straightforward way to go.
Over the fan.
Yeah. Like lift it over where the fan blows.
I can't lift them though.
Oh, that's right.
See, and then they go over here.
Okay,
and they
let's
go
see where the
down
apples
there.
are going.
So I'll just go down with them.
Potentially. Okay, that sounds the way to go. Back up.
Some of them are getting over here.
Right, can you back up? More. Yeah.
Aha!
There you go.
Why didn't I go in here?
I want a projector like this. Fill up this room with chairs. Got a nice projector up there. Put Truman Show.
Where's the oh, it's there, right there.
And then you're good to go.
That would be really nice.
Ooh. Reasonable to me.
This is how I'm gonna build my house.
It's downsizing.
Yeah. And here I go. I like the luggage. I like it.
Yeah, it's like a stepping stone to your next point in life.
Yeah.
Cool.
Whoa.
Oh, what is... First time you could grab it.
See, I need an industrial size.
Yeah, it's... Oh my god, that's huge. Can you walk through it? Oh!
Coolio. And now I'm really small.
Now you're really tiny. There's no glass there. But it's okay.
I was supposed to be small, though.
Yeah, there's your door.
There's the door to which I exit.
Something just flew out of my mouth, and I think it was alive.
What?
Don't worry about it.
I am small.
This would be the worst time for a person to come out and be like, hey, I'm a humanoid. Like, honestly, probably almost as bad as when it was, like, scary and
That's
stuff.
totally gonna happen. You
I
know
hope
it's gonna
not.
happen.
I hope there's no humanoid in this game.
I'm gonna get crushed by one of these. I can't pick up any of them. Oh, that was all like a... That was a cute little board game.
It was all a cute little box.
This is like a kid's room.
Something like that, yeah.
The kid's gonna run in and smash me.
It's gonna be the Pixar baby. Can you pick up that house?
Can I pick up... Oh, I can
There
pick
you
up
go.
the house.
Where the Oh,
What the fuck? Can I not pick that up?
the cube?
The cube.
I guess not. What are the soda?
Soda.
Okay, you got that at least.
Soda with me. And now I go he. If we've
quiet.
gone this long without a jump scare, I think it's unlikely that it'll happen.
I think it's unlikely too. I really don't feel like it's that type of game. It's just...
Oh.
It's like the Stanley Parable where it's just like creepy sometimes and you're like, I don't feel good. But it's not gonna like scare you outright.
I don't like
I assume.
what this is doing.
But it might also lure you into like a false sense of security, try to get you at the moment that you least expect.
What if I go here? That barely in my view. Yeah. Just clips open, and then I'm gonna be right back in there when I turn the corner. Yep.
Oh. Oh.
I'm Reef I'm bouncing off the walls.
We need to knock it off with the Reef Carney talk. Okay, well, alright, progress.
Okay, I'm not in there.
Here, another one. Hurry, turn it off. Or maybe don't.
No, it's...
The
See, there's a
hallway looks-
wall now.
Yeah.
God, what?
Nope, and... Okay, that's good.
I don't like... Oh! I don't like that.
Oh, it's forcing
I don't...
you.
Oh, that was not fun. I did not like that. God.
How far can you go down here?
So far, you wouldn't even believe it.
Oh, I see. Oh.
Cheese.
A piece of pizza. Yay.
A PS piece of pizza. That was a stolen joke. Don't include that.
Oh, okay. So I'm just so focused on these stairs.
Oh.
Oh, it tricked you.
Uh-uh.
Oh, no. Elevator time.
Elevator time. And then I come back up here. For the bouncy castle again.
Right. You're getting out of here. You're escaping.
I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Oh.
Fuck you.
If you are
Oh.
destabilizing dreamland.
That's so fucking cool.
That's really neat.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's not scary.
Oh. It is like Portal.
They got you again.
Let me out of here.
Is this gonna be your way for it? No.
No.
Oh, but there's something
Oh my.
Oh, never mind.
That was a little bit.
trippy. Oh. Hey.
It spooked me a little bit getting that close.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad.
That's really bad.
That was not a good idea. You created a paradox, you fucking fool.
I wanted to do that all along.
It's falling apart at the seams here. You gotta get out of here.
Here we go.
That doesn't look better. Oh, that's worse. Oh, that's much worse.
Oh, we died. We're in heaven.
Oh, finally. What's that?
Okay,
Oh.
now we're going to hell.
We deserve it. This
That-
is really cool looking, but scary.
Yeah. Not an exit. This does not look nice, though.
I'm immersed in 8D audio.
How would you like to play this in VR?
I'd be pretty terrified at certain aspects of it. Certain times, like when it was like really creepy and stuff. Like I wouldn't want to be in VR in that. I wouldn't like it very much.
Erase me. Relax yet. Minerals. Female toads.
Nice. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Very misleading.
It's the
the
Truman
Truman
Show.
Show. Oh, it's not the
You
Truman Show.
fooled me.
Can't
Maybe?
extrude it.
Not the sign. Nothing up, nothing down. Nothing all around. Can I walk in there? Yep.
Oh, hey, there you go. Now that
Aha!
those are stairs. Oh, it's the Truman Show.
Now those are stairs. You know what I'm saying. Okay, key at the red. Put in Keith Richards.
What is he doing?
He's saying hi.
Okay, now putting Keith David's. He's saying goodbye.
Yeah, because we're ending right now.